And now I give the floor to His Excellency Mr. Bendito dos Santos Freitas, Minister of Foreign Affairs and Cooperation of Timor-Leste.
Esteemed ministers and distinguished guests, let me start by extending our gratitude for the opportunity to participate in this ministerial meeting of the G20. My delegation extends its heartfelt congratulations to Brazil for the remarkable leadership in its presidency of the G20. Brazil's commitment to social justice and environmental stewardship will undoubtedly inspire collaborative efforts among the G20 nations to create innovative solutions that benefit the global community. We commend Brazil for its dedication to promoting inclusive growth and dialogue among member states and beyond. Brazil has shown that the G20 presidency is not just a platform for economic discussions, but it is a chance to reinforce the importance of multilateralism and cooperation in an increasingly interconnected world. Excellencies, in a time characterized by global uncertainty, economic challenges, and pressing social issues, Timor-Leste stands committed to contributing to a collective solution that prioritizes sustainable development, equity, and international cooperation. Timor-Leste, a young nation with a rich cultural heritage, has made significant strides since regaining independence in 2002. Our focus remains steadfast on promoting growth that benefits all segments of the population. However, we face unique challenges, including the need to diversify our economy beyond oil and gas, strengthen our institutions, and enhance resilience to climate change. We advocate for a renewed commitment to sustainable development goals, emphasizing the importance of inclusive economic policies that empower marginalized communities, particularly women and youth. Investing in education, health, and infrastructure will be critical for the long-term prosperity of our nation and the region. Furthermore, Timor-Leste urges the G20 members to consider the particular needs of small developing nations in the context of global financial systems. We call for increased access to markets, technology transfer, and financial aid to support our development initiatives. The recent global pandemic has highlighted the vital importance of health systems, and we must work together to strengthen these systems worldwide. Climate change poses an existential threat not only to us in Timor-Leste but to all nations. We must prioritize climate action and support initiatives that promote renewable energy and sustainable practices. Timor-Leste is ready to share its experiences and collaborate on innovative solutions for a greener planet. In conclusion, as we engage in thoughtful discussions during this meeting, let us reaffirm our commitment to multilateralism and solidarity. Together, we can build a more resilient and equitable future for all nations, ensuring that no one is left behind. We look forward to fostering partnership that will lead to meaningful change and strengthen cooperation among our countries. Thank you. Muito obrigado.